Hello everyone, we are here at NASA 2020, North American Saxophone Alliance, looking at some of these amazing saxophones here at Milano Music. They have brought everything out. Selmers, Yanagasawas, Yamahas, Cannonballs, Eastman, and today we are going to chat with their sax guy, Cody.
Hi everyone.
And Cody, you're holding something really cool here.
I am.
Yeah, this is
the brand new edition of the Eastman 52nd Street Tenor Saxophone.
the Eastman 52nd Street. This is their new edition. What is it you love about this horn?
Man, this horn just really sings, and they've tweaked a few things with the scale and just a couple of things with the construction of this horn. It just plays really even, intonation-wise. It's great all throughout the horn. This horn just is really powerful and has a beautiful, rich sound.
And it's got the raw brass finish, really nice key work. A lot of players are loving this horn. And with the new style, they even put a C-sharp guard on there, which is really classy. And like Cody said, I've had a chance to play this horn. They redid some of the scale and intonation and just some of the great features on this horn. Plus, you got some fun engraving up here. And let me show you how you're going to use your key leaves, sax key props, to prevent any sticky keys. You just wrap it around the key cup there of your low C sharp. And that's going to open that up so it never sticks and rots. And then by association, C sharp, when it's opened, it also opens G sharp. So now your G sharp can't stick and rot onto the tone hole. And then down here on the E flat, same thing. You could just wrap it around the key cup just like that. Never touches pad leather, leaves those pads open to dry clean and safe on your gorgeous new Eastman sax. So get on over, visit Cody at Milano Music, and check these out. And you can also learn more about Eastman at eastmanwins.com. And where do they go to learn more online about Milano?
MilanoMusic.com.
All right. Thanks a lot, Cody.
Thanks for listening.